Today's class I am going to discuss about how XOR gate and XNOR gate act as an inverter. So let me draw the symbol of XOR gate. It has two inputs A and B. Boolean expression of XOR gate Y equal to A XOR B. So it's a Boolean expression. The elaborate expression is A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. So it's an elaborate Boolean expression. Now we discuss how XOR gate act as a inverter. So this is the XOR gate symbol. It has two input. One input namely called as B, another input namely called as A. So in this case, A value equal to 1. So A value, it must be 1 in all the cases. So output equation A XOR B. So elaborate expression is A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. So now I just substitute the A value in this equation. So A bar means 0 dot B plus A value is 1 dot B bar. So what is 0 dot B? 0 dot B means this value goes to 0. Then 1 dot B is a B bar. 1 dot B bar equal to B bar. So final answer is B bar. So now the XOR gate, it acts as a inverter. This is the verification table. A and B is the input. Y is the output. So A value, it must be 1 in all the cases. Let me set B value equal to 0. Next case, B value, it should be 1. So now I substitute the B value. In the first case, B value equal to 0. So now B value equal to 0. So XOR property is 1 0 means the corresponding output is 1. 1 0, the corresponding output is 1. Then now I substitute B value equal to 1. So 1 1, the corresponding output is 0. Let me consider the B value. So B is 0, the output is 1. B value is 1, the output is 0. So it's look like a inverter. So next we go for XNOR gate. How the XNOR gate, it acts as an inverter. Let me draw the symbol. So it's a symbolic representation of XNOR gate. It also has two inputs A and B. The output Y equal to A XNOR B. So it's a output equation. The elaborate expression is A bar dot B bar plus A dot B. So it's an elaborate expression for XNOR gate. Let me discuss how the XNOR gate, it acts as an inverter. XNOR gate acts as inverter. It's a symbolic representation. B is the one input. Another input is A. Now A value assumed by 0 in the all the case. Output is Y. Now I write the expression A bar dot B bar plus A dot B. Now I substitute the A value in this equation. So A bar means 1 dot B bar plus 0 dot B. So 0 dot B 0. So 1 dot B bar, B bar. Now I write the verification table. A and B is the input, Y is the output. Here A value it must be 0. So both the cases A value it must be 0. Then B value, first case 0, second case 1. Just I substitute the B value in this expression. So A value 0 means A bar value 1. So B value 0 means B bar value 1 plus A0 dot B0. So this value equals to 0, 1 dot 1, 1. The corresponding output is 1. Then case 2, A value is 0, B value equal to 1. So A value is 0, 0 means A bar 1 and B value 1, B bar 0. Here A value 0, B value 1. 0 dot 1, 0 is also 0. 0 plus 0, the output is 0. You just consider B value. If B equal to 0, Y equal to 1. B equal to 1, Y equal to 0. So XOR gate, it acts as an inverter. So this is a simple concept how XOR and XNOR gate act as an inverter. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thank you.